Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are today? Well, Missy's beating up the stove today. Look at that, boy. Stir that a little bit there, Miss Missy. Randy brought over some chuck steaks. Got some smoked sausage in there. Everything came from the slaughterhouse over here. The local slaughterhouse. Look at that brown gravy. No kitchen bouquet in that neither. That's just a plain old meat gravy right there. And a bunch of smothered cabbage with some smoked sausage in it. Yeah, Lord. Boy, we eating good. Oh, bacon too. So we got a crew over here too. Big Randy Guidry. So Randy, say hi.
Hello, everybody.
Johnny Best.
Hello,
What's up, Johnny Best? Richard Ordwine. Peace, brother. Peace. Oh, yeah. So, we got K-Bone on the radio and all that. Waiting on, oh, it is 6 o'clock. Big Al's on the radio tonight. Vendredi on fire. Friday at last. Always. Vendredi on fire. So, and then Miss Missy.
Hello.
So, alright, we're going to be signing off right now. Just a little short video to let you know what we're up to this Friday. Alright, we'll catch y'all. Plutarch.